Never second. Never second?
Never second.
Science first.
Science first. Para pag nasusuya kayo, this one's good. Pag malamig din, lagyan.
Ano lasa niya?
O pag sa first half nyo or parang pag nasusuya kayo, yung muscle, damage, restore. Damage, ito yung restore. We damage our muscles. Get, ha? Sige. Guys, yan ang importante yan. 3 times. After workout.
What's this?
Okay, after workout. Sabi ko yung glutamine lang, kinuha nyo lahat ng gel. Regeneration, glutamine. To tag, never second, always first.
But she said something that hope to see you tomorrow. Barcelona?
Pati ba si Zach?
Ayaw.
Mamaya na.
After training.
Gusto ko sabay kayo ni Mervin mag-fit dito. Meron?
Ito, coach.
Asan na yung coffee natin? Hindi ka na. Sabi ko. Yeah, ito, dito.
Kaya nagtitip pala ako.
Oh, sige, I'll get one.
Press ko ako.
Alright, sige, call me.
30 seconds.
30 seconds, let's go.
Wala.
No, musta?
Coach Jet, dito ilalagay yung extra na...
Yeah. Yung mga magpo-full, yeah.
Yun, no?
Space cake. Dami, ah.
Minute kasi yung kalaban.
Where are we going, Joshua?
I'm not sure.
Okay.
Let's go.
We're going to... What power are you maintaining?
180 to 100.
Stay at 180, 190 lang muna. 90K! We get your lactate. Whoa! Whoa! Fuck. Holy Paolo!
Yes, coach.
Make sure you're gonna survive the tournament. Face it.
Yes, coach.
This guy! Ano ba kayo?
Yes, he's at 200.
Well, yeah, pero... I'm here to check their power kasi papadala sila sa emotions eh. Limit is 200 watts. O sige, ilang kilometer ka na? Anong kilometer mo na?
8 lang, coach.
Ito, expert to eh. Yes. Pero ngayon, pwede ka magwala.
Pwede ako mag-emote na yung 40 kilo.
Pro na to.
Masarap ba?
Oh, sabi, huwag magpadala sa emotion.
Sabi niya, sama ka. Magaan lang. Sabi ko, hindi. Gusto ko yung mahangin.
Ay nako. Sabi hindi tatag.
Check mo nga yung satellite picture. Parang malaki mo ka.
Easy lang. Oh, isang oras na. Isang bike battle. One bike battle. Mataas yung upuan mo. Magka-cramps ka dyan.
Week. Yung 22K ko.
Good fit. Guys, one bike battle. Isang oras na. watts. Kaya yan? Di ba dapat 120? Bakit?
Yung hindi nag-work.
Ay,
Then the last four cold Decembers I
Go,
recall.
go, go. How do you feel? Yeah, kasi dapat matulog kayo or else sayang ang ensayo.
I found a girl
I mean, sayang ang oras, sayang ang araw.
I couldn't sleep.
come and stay.
3.4, you're too much. You're above threshold. Go slower. Sige, spin lang. Go lang. Baka bababa pa yan.
God every day for the girl He sent my way. But I know the things He gives He can take away. And I hold you every night, and that's a feeling I wanna get used to. But there's no man as terrified as the man who stands to lose you. Oh, I hope I don't lose you. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got.
Help each other. Mahirap na. Okay, what? How many watts are you? Joshua.
60K pa.
Wow. Wow. How do you feel?
135.
Yeah. 1.7. Very good.
Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. I need
Buti na lang
these
andyan si Alex.
beautiful things that I.
Bumigay na yata yung mga... Ilang kaya ba?
85.
Andyan lahat ah. Sa last na lang natin kung what's nawala yung van. Hindi na kita makita kanina. Wow! Stay at the back, stay at the back, come on. Always straight.
153 ako.
And what's your rating?
Never the second.
How do... Gusto?
Sarap.
Parang may girlfriend? Grabe. Kumain ka na ba? Oo. Masarap yan?
ako eh.
Oo. Tapos na, nakuha mo na yung cleats mo. Ay, cleats yung kicks mo?
Oo, nakuha ko. Ano, kakain ko?
Team. Galing nyo.
Pasandal lang
Sarap ah.
Masarap.
Wow.
Ganyang kakaguto.
Hindi, matamis siya na...
Masarap na.
Ibang taste ah.
Yung barbecue niya parang matamis eh.
Matamis na barbecue na spicy ah. Wow.
Tignan tayo lapitan ng aso.
Ang galing ah.
Diba? Magandang meal to sa gilid.
Paolo.
Kasi puno yung lane. Sayang, nagsisisi ka ngayon.
Tapos dadagdag na ng all setting kay Saran. Pass!
Form your line. Yung line natin. And up. One line. Ulit. Dito kayo maglalap ha. Grabe, ladies pa magtapa. Doing 820 by 800. Ano, sino na? Nagpapalitan ba Sara? Ito na? Kanina ka pa naglalakad eh. Ano ka ba? Kaya naglalakad. Alright? Woo! Oh, halo.
Trailing for day 3.
Alright. Yeah! Adobo? Ay, guro!
Yung swing coach is just like or may drills pa rin.
1K swim, drafting pa rin.
Like race
There's a
simulation.
transition.